Good morning. Morning, people. Morning, family. How are you feeling? How are you? Thank you for watching. If it's the first time, remember to subscribe, to like and share. Let's do it. You can join our WhatsApp group. You can WhatsApp me to ask the requirements of joining. Then you can get ready to join our community. Yeah, I've been busy lately. I didn't get time to post to show that we did win, to put out the community post. It's very tough. So if it's the first time, remember to turn on the notification when you subscribe, because I can see people are not subscribing, but however it's not an obligation. Yeah, so let's make money. I did learn this lotto because it's been long since I make a video of it, but however I learn every day. All right, so today we're going to use wait well today we're going to use date 30. Today we have a date 30, right? The app is ready. We can change into other color. So we have a 30. Today is the 3rd. The 3rd we can play 3. Oh, what's going on? Yesterday I come home late. Today was a busy day. Alright, so I'm gonna show you first the site that I discovered. I was learning this. So let's do it. Let's dive into the details. My body is so much in pain. Alright, so let's add. Unfortunately, I must buy a calculator. I always go to the shop right every week, but I don't remember the calculator. Alright, so we use it. Let me use my brain still sharper. Now, let's first do this. So we're gonna take this number. There's something I want to show you, so that's why I'm gonna start here, so that I show you something. All right, so we have you take this number again, you add them together. For example, this one's gonna give us 20, I think. You have a 3, 12. Yeah, it's 20. Now you write 20 down here. Then you multiply by total number of the draw, which is 49. Then you click equal, always click equal. Then you divide by the number of the draw. It's 70 number per draw. Now, this is the answer. We have a 98, right? Let's go to the chart. Yeah, 980, and we have 140. So what you do here, you will check the number which is very hot. So my hottest number here is 14 because there's a 0 at the back. Even this one is hot because it's a 0 at the back. 9 and 8 or 6 when you spin. Now 14 or 41 as well. Alright. Now there is something you should know. Now here there is a 0, but doesn't mean this 0 is meaning the meaning of 0 is nothing. The meaning of 0, you know, it's 24. 1 is 0 is 24. Then because we must focus on the last two number on this strategy, you focus on the last two number when you finish to multiply by 49. The last two number gave us 8 and 0. 8 and 0 is 8 plus 24. It's going to give us 32. Now the answer we have is 98, 32, right? And 6, 14, 41. The whole number is 14 because it's stand alone. It's 14 or 41 because it's standalone but 14 mostly. So let's check what happened. What happened here, 140 gave us 41, right? Then 980 gave us 6 because we had 80 plus 24, it gave us 32. But still, even if the 41 played, we still have a 14. That will be your number to go with. You move with a number which did not come. Now, if I do 19, let's check the number which came in this draw, which was what here? 9. Here it's 19, right? For example, 19 multiplied the total number of the draw. You click equal, then you divide by the how many number per draw? 7 numbers. The hot number inside here is 3 because you can see 3 is sitting there. Now we have a 3 as a hot number, then we have a 33, right? And remember, every time you get the twin number together, you add them together, then it's 6. We have a 3, 33 and 6. You're gonna play this number until they finish to come. That's what you do. 3, 33 and 6. Now 3, 6 is here. Now we remain with 14 and 33. Then you calculate the next one is 21. You add these numbers together. Then we have 21. Remember, we have 14 and 33 remaining. 21 and 49 equal, and divided by 7 is equal to this one. Now, we focus on the last two numbers. We have a 29 or 26. But remember, 29 is still our odd number. Then we have a 14. Remember, we have the 14 and 33 which are remaining. Now, you got your 3 numbers. The 3, when you are lucky, then you get a hot number in the code. It's the you're lucky. Now we have 26, 29, 14, and 33. That is where the number came from here. 3 numbers. All right. As you said, we focus on the last numbers. Let's go. We have a 22. But look now, on this code, there is no hot number here. On this code, we don't have a hot number except 29 because it is in front of 0. So we're going to keep on with 29. Let's go. Now, we have a 22 and 49. Multiply is equal and divide by 7. So the number here, we focus on the last two number. The last two number is 7 and 8 and 15. You're going to add them together when they are big. The first two number is 15. So the banker is 15. Then we have a 15. Then we have a 29 remaining. Then we have two numbers. 15 and 29. Here it is. Now we move. Here we having 23, I think. Let's see, but you can see here, we don't have other hot number. The only number I can keep for now is this one because it came 2 times. We can focus on that 10 so that we can have something to keep with us. All right. Because 78 is already there. Unless you keep 7 and 8, then you keep 10. Like this. Because there is always a one number to keep. Now, we have a 23. Multiply by 49 is equal, and we divide by 7. The first number is 16. Remember, or 19. They like to use the spinning number before, then you keep the spinning to the next row. The second number is 27. but we have a twin number. Here we have 11 and 11. So 11 is 1. So 1 is hot today, or 10, or 11. Because the 1 can be still spinning. So these are the number. Remember, our last number was 78. They can either play 78 as 7 and 8. These are the numbers to play on the next draw. 16, 90, 27, 1, 10, 11, 7, and 8. Right? If they don't bring the 16 or 27, we keep that number to the next draw. And 11 already played, but they can still repeat. Thank you so much. And let's check if we're gonna have the number which it can help us to get to see the bank. I'm not gonna discuss the banker in case you didn't know, because it's meant for my WhatsApp group members. But as we are basically calculating your, like yesterday 29 was in every code, then I think you saw it as well. When you're watching a video, you must always focus. Let's go to the chat. Now we have I want to see if you use the numbers movement or the number sense, you can see that we have 30, 33 twice. What does it mean? 30, 33 twice. This can give us a 3. Then if they bring a 3, they can bring it to 16 or 19. Because the 3 is moving with them. Now, if you check here, 15, 3. If they add the first number on 1, it's 3 there. Here is a 2. 2 is always a 4, right? And the 8, it's always 4 in the 8, that's why 4 came. So 8 was supposed to come, it didn't come because it was already there. That was the other one. They sometimes take a number and they add the 1 and they add this and that. You must always be aware of it. Now we're going to move to our usual strategy, which is the last 2 numbers. This thing works this code works always, right? We have here, for example, 61, 102. This didn't work here because I don't see any answer here. Let's see. 60, 90, 99, 102 again. Oh, wow. 102 again. Only 2 dropped. Here. 98. 8. 98. Only 98. So 9 and the 8, we already have a 7 and the 8. 7 and 8, they are numerical order. They can bring in 6 and 9. Here we have a 70, because remember you add 3 number, but however it's not they didn't use it yesterday. Let me check the other one because I had only time to create the remaining one. 92, which is 29. 29 it came. 92 again, so 29 was there, very hot. Then we have 80, 90. 90 is 9. 9 is missing. We have 76. 76, you play 7, 6 or 13, but 13 was rare in form of 31. Now we have 70. We have a 70. So this 7 can give us a sign that 7. Among our 7 and the 8, 7 can stand a more chance. Yeah. 7 can stand a more chance, and 7 is 9. They like to add the numbers. This family of 7, they like to add the 2. Don't know the reason. Even in case you know the reason, you can just say it in a comment. It's necessary. Then we have 41, 43, 42, 43. The numbers movement, I think is that because I only say 3. 35 a move with 18 and the 14. Let's see, 35. Where is 14? 18. Where is 18? So they call 18, they call 14 35, or they call each other. 2 move with 38. All right. 15 you move with what? I don't remember, but 29 you call 19. Or this one give us a 3. That is also very necessary to know. 18 equal by 35, and 18 also being equal 2 equal 38, then 29 equal 19, and we have a 3. So those are the numbers for today: 16, 19, 27, 1, 10, 11, 7, 8, 3, 18, 38. Thank you so much. Bye.